A family property dispute, a criminal affair, and an important Supreme Court ruling. Imagine this. Relatives claim a share in ancestral property and execute documents asserting their rights. The other side says they have no share at all and accuses them of forgery and cheating. This is the story of Bhikubai Govindbhai Patel versus State of Gujarat, decided by the Supreme Court on 22nd May 2026. The complainant alleged that the accused had no rights over the property. Therefore, the documents executed by them were forged and criminal offences had been committed. The Gujarat High Court refused to quash the FIR. It held that the allegations and the material collected during the investigation were sufficient for the criminal case to proceed. The Supreme Court disagreed. The court explained that forgery requires a forged document. Here, the accused had executed the documents in their own names. There was no allegation of forged signatures, impersonation, or fabrication of documents. The real dispute was whether the accused actually had a share in the property. The Supreme Court held that ownership of property is a question for the civil court to decide. A person does not become a forger merely because his claim over property is disputed or may ultimately fail. Criminal law cannot be used to convert every property dispute into a criminal case. Result: the affair was quashed while the civil dispute over ownership will continue before the competent court. Do you agree with the Supreme Court's view? Subscribe to Naval Legal to understand law through real judgments. Thank you for watching.